Hello students. So continuing with growth of nationalism, we have reached American Revolution which lasted from 1775 to 1783. The American Revolution or the War of American Independence led to the birth of the United States of America. So in the map you can see there were 13 locations which were controlled by British colonizers. So these were basically British colonies that time. So you can refer to the map and you can find out. And later on, America got it freed from the British. In the history of the world, this was the first political revolution in which people overthrew foreign rule and won the right of self-government. So this was the first and the very first political revolution in which India and later on various countries, India got independence quite late. But Britishers, they got independence by 1783 itself. So it was free, it overthrew foreign rule, British colonies were removed, and America won the self government. Background: large number of Europeans, including the French, the Dutch, the Spaniards, and the English, had migrated to the New World, the Americas. Americas was also known as the New World after its discoveries. So, after the discovery of America, so many people, Europeans, French, Dutch, Spanish, English, all these European nations, people from these European nations had come and settled in the New World, that is America. By the 18th century, Britain had established 13 colonies along the eastern coast of North America. Britain had established in the, you can see it in the map. In the map, it shows all the 13 colonies where Britishers had established their base. They had colonized it. In respect of all local matters, the colonist settlers governed themselves through elected representatives. They even levied local taxes. They were, however, denied any say in matters concerning their trade with other European countries, economic development, levying of extra taxes, and even westward expansion. Britain controlled these matters strictly. So all these matters were controlled by Britain. Increase in taxes in the colonies. In Europe, the 7 Years' War, 1756 to 1763, in which Britain and France were on opposite sides, ended with the Treaty of Paris, 1763. So 1756, when Britain and France were in a war, that there was a Treaty of Paris in 1763, and the treaty forced France to withdraw from North America and India. So this treaty, it said that France would be basically not put their colonies in India as well as the America. So Britain won this war on the colony from France. Britain sought to recover its war expenses by increasing taxes in North American colonies. In 1765, Britain passed the Stamp Act, which increased duties on all legal and commercial transactions. Britain passed the Stamp Act. Stamp was basically, stamp duty was something that was levied on the goods and commodities. The colonists demanded representation in the British Parliament before any tax could be imposed on them. They coined the slogan, "No taxation without representation." Violent uprising by the colonists forced Britain to withdraw the Stamp Act. So Britain had to ultimately withdraw the Stamp Act. So we will stop here. We will continue with the chapter in the next class. Have a good day.